Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert your T-Mobile SIM to eSIM. First, make sure your device supports eSIM. On most phones, go to Settings, then Connections, and SIM Manager, and look for the option to convert your physical SIM to an eSIM. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. If you prefer, you can also use the T-Mobile app. Open the app, select your line, and choose Convert to eSIM. For iPhones or Androids, T-Mobile can provide a QR code. Scan it in your device settings. Then cellular and add cellular plan, and your eSIM will activate. And that's it. That's how to convert your T-Mobile SIM to eSIM. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.